Hello. Oh, hi. So, welcome to the job. I worked there last week, so just take my advice here. The robots will wander a bit, but who cares? You have I don't need any stupid advice. I can do this all by myself. Alright, let's just check the cameras. Freddy's asleep. Don't know what's in that behind that curtain, but probably won't matter. Freddy's awake. Oh, damn it. Welp, just forgetting everything that happened there. I think that's my pizza at the door. Not pizza! Not pizza! Ooh, I can use this chair to get away. Oh, damn it!